A PCV valve is a positive crankcase ventilation valve. It eliminates the unwanted gases from the engine block and prevents pressure anomalies inside the block. Earlier, these gases were just dumped into the atmosphere through simple pressure valves, but of course, it's not cool for the environment, so the modern PCV valve would bring all those unwanted gases to the intake and the engine will eventually burn them. A stock PCV valve may cause all kinds of engine problems, including power anomalies, weird sounds, and low fuel efficiency, for example. Simply put, the gases stay inside the sealed block and start affecting the piston rings, gaskets, and overall oil circulation system. In some engines, a stock PCV valve may even cause oil leaks through the dipstick hole and really bad oil pressure due to the low volume of oil in the oil pan. You may see an oil pressure light, but when you check the oil level 3 minutes after you stop the car, the level seems to be okay. This is a typical effect of a bad PCV valve. And yes, a stock PCV valve system may cause engine knocking. It changes the pressure inside the engine and it may cause oil starvation. So driving with a stock PCV valve is pretty dangerous, especially if you can hear knocking or other weird sounds. But I should also say that engine knocking is not a typical symptom of a PCV valve problem. Anyway, replacing a PCV is in most cases a pretty simple job, so you can start with it if you suspect the problem with the crankcase ventilation system.